Well, it finally happened. I knew it was going to happen sooner or later, and here it is, the number 30 and the number 21 for the last game. All right, so what does that mean? Well, very simple. What that means is that the number 21 and the number 30, which were predicted, will now be very strong in the next few games. So, what I have predicted with the 21, 22, and the 22, 23 will become a hot zone. The other one is the number 30, 31, 32, 33, and the number 31, 32, 33, 34, with the 28, 30, 32, and 34 will come up. These are going to come up numerous times for the following games. And if you notice in the last two games, there were a lot of numbers in the teens. So now that's going to start weakening, and now it's going to head towards that 30s and 20s area, right? And you might also get numbers within that 40s area, all right? So I'm going to come up with some predictions here. Follow it closely and follow these rules. Rule number 1, look at the past game and be sure that you have at least 1 to 2 numbers that repeats or will be off by 1. And rule number 2, during one line of picking your lottery numbers, have at least one number that's either in sequence, for example, 21 with 22, 31 with 32, or 37 with 38, or make sure there is a one number gap. For example, 21 with 23, 31 with 33, 37 with 39. It always happens. Don't do it any other way because it's going to give you a much higher probability of getting the jackpot. All right, so let's go through the prediction for this next game for August 7th. All right, so one number that did miss, and it is, again, heavily due, one of these 4 numbers will come up, is 30, 32, 34, and 36. The other line is 26, 28, 30, and 32. And for the negatives, this is again where numbers start from the center and they kind of like spread out. Look at the number 39 with 40, 28 with 29, 23, 24, 25. It should be within that range. 42 with 43. Now, those are weaker, but definitely possible. So don't ignore those numbers. All right, so playing this game, play it within the circle of the first half of the 30s. So anywhere between 30 through 35. And at this point, what I would do is I would put 2 of those numbers in. So you could do it like a 30 with 32, or maybe a 33 with 34, something like that. And I would probably do something similar to that with the range of numbers of 21, 22, and 23. Okay, so that's what I've got for you today. Play these very smartly. Don't go out and spend a ton of money on the lottery. So be responsible. I would probably play 1 or 2 tickets and keep playing the same numbers for a little bit, because these ranges of the 21, 22, 23 and the 30 through 34 is very hot. So I would stay within that kind of range. All right, so good luck, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to press that subscribe button.